What's going on, guys? Chaseontwowheels here for this video because I got a big box to open. So I'm gonna somehow pull it over here. Be right back. Beep, beep, beep. You guys probably know at this point that here in the shop, we're pretty into the whole like little electric bike thing. So when Ariel Rider reached out, we're like, hey, do you want a little electric bike to test out? We have nothing else to say but yes. All right, guys, so this is the Ariel Rider. It's an electric bike. And if I remember correctly, it has 2 motors in it. So it should be pretty cool. We will find out very soon. Pretty cool little logo. Bro, it has adjustable front suspension. Yeah. Ugh. Hold on, guys. There's tools in here. Oh no! Oh no! Don't worry, guys. We got a toolbox. Hey, they put touch-up paint in here. That's kind of cool. Look at that. And we have Toolkit. All right, looks like we got pedals and stuff in here. All right, let's get this unboxed. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Whoop. Bo, is it just me or does this kind of give you an Indian FTR vibe? Oh, the rear battery's underneath the little cage here. That's cool. So so this one's got 2 batteries. That's its whole like big deal thing. And yeah, it's pretty it's a hefty boy. Oh, so that's got a motor in it, right?
Check that out. Put your finger right there. Feel what that is.
What is that? It feels like a kickball material. Yeah. You know, like in middle school or something.
I saw these on a couple of the other brands too. Like they reduce the weight, but then they have this like weird material that keeps all the air in. Okay. All right. Continuing on with the construction. We're a little far out. But so far, this thing looks sweet. Look at this seat, dude. We do realize here in the shop that we're a motorcycle channel, but these things are 2 wheels and they are fun as hell. So why would we not lean into this whole like 2-wheeled space? Bro, it has dual rear shocks. What? This is awesome. We're gonna have a fleet of electric bikes. And it has gears? This has gears like a mountain bike. Okay, step 1, get the handlebars on. All right, guys, handlebars are on. We can finagle that. There are so many buttons on this thing. Okay, whatever, getting distracted. All right, we need to get the front tire on now. Hold on, oh! Look how the throttle is. Like, there's a hand guard, and then the throttle's like that. No, the gears are here. So I assume this is the throttle, and the gear would be here because it's got 1 through 7. So it's not like you have to hold here to go, but then you can just, or you could do like that. That's strange. Okay. Oh, bro, what's the torque spec? Hey guys, guess what? We got pedals. We can pedal away now.
burnout, baby. So guys, we were going through the kitchenette area of the shop and the headlight came on. So we think it's like adaptive to dark and light. All right, so plus, 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 plus. I didn't wreck it. I think it's pretty slick. You do a front burnout. How great is that? Ariel Rider, thank you for sending us a Grizzly 52. This is about to be fun. We're gonna do some stupid shit with this. Hold on, switch test. Both in the middle. Rear to the right. Front wheel drive, rear wheel drive. Wow, it is significantly slower without all of them. But with all of them, it's a little tutor. Okay, Grizzly 52 from Ariel Rider, the FTR 1200 of electric bikes. Let us know in the comments if you guys want to see us do a first ride on it. I swear to God, we will totally do the camera car and everything. Okay, we're gonna go do actual work now and stop playing with toys. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more two-wheeled content. Technically right, two-wheeled content. Okay, we're gonna go work now, bye. Hey, we're working now. Well, all right.